Came straight to the section that I would normally check out first, which is the Toy Story one. I don't have too many pins today, but we've been having great sales lately. Here's some of the Marvel stuff. There's the Muppets. Need that one. I'm gonna try to talk a little bit more because there's music going on in the background. But here's a lot of the Stitch stuff I have right here. So that's pretty cool. There's a lot of them right there. And right here. The Dumbo collection. I love these.
We found that
zebra one in my last video. Maybe. I don't remember. Yes. But then they have the Lion King stuff right here. Pretty cool. The Simba name tag.
Oh, little Simba.
25 bucks. They have the Peter Pan right here. Here's Jazz's.
This is a big ISO of mine, the Marie with the rainbow stars. So cute because it's like stained glass. It's really cute.
It's pretty cool. And then they have the Alice stuff right next to it.
Oh, Cheshire. There's not too
Dude, look
many
at that
of
one right
those.
there, the India one.
It's been there.
He's playing for his tail.
Expensive, right? $175.
Yeah. That's not horrible, I guess.
Okay.
Alright guys, we stumbled upon this pin. It's $25. It's the Alice ride.
I'm having 15% off right now for Memorial Day, so...
Right now it's going here for $25. And Jasmine found it on eBay for like 30-ish.
30, 50, 35, so I'm like,
Plus the 15% off that make it the cheapest price that we could find it at. So
probably come out to like
23, yeah, with tax and all that stuff, so... Or it might be right back at $25. I mean, go for it, Jazz. She bought it.
I did.
It ended up being like 22 bucks.
Yeah, it's not bad.
But yeah, the pin has some weight to it.
It is. It's pretty heavy, yeah.
It has the Cheshire in the corner. I don't know if you saw that, but that's pretty cool.
First thing I saw.
I wonder what the LE on it is.
I don't know. I'll check for now.
Nice. All right, guys. Let me tell you about this drink. It's the venti strawberry. It's a venti strawberry acai add peach lemonade.
Venti strawberry acai refresher with lemonade and peach juice.
There you go. But yeah, guys, this drink is a little bit more pricey. I'm not gonna lie, but
it's really good.
definitely recommend it. This is probably one of the best drinks I've ever had at Starbucks.
Really?
Yeah, for sure. Her coworker put her on.
My coworker
so.
I tried it. I was like, it was good. Same thing.
But yeah. Anyways, we just got these before we hit the parks right now. We're just gonna do some pin trading.
I'm a little hungry, so maybe like, I don't know, something.
But yeah, this should be a pretty decent day at Frontierland. We're not gonna spend too much time there, but it's Memorial Day, so a lot of people are gonna be here that are not normally here from like visiting out of town and stuff like that. So hopefully we can get some good pins, and that's pretty much it.
Our new emos have new outfits. We'll show later. We'll show not yet.
Vote for Kermit, please. Please, he needs them, please. There was one that was called Park Ride. I was gonna grab this one, but pen is broken. Not cool.
And then these are mostly like my
Making good trades, huh? Few. A little bit. Me and Jazz are here at the Plaza Inn. I want me some chicken. And Jazz is gonna get the pasta. We're very hungry. All right, so Jasmine got her pasta. She's a happy lady. Got my chicken, double mash, baby. It's the only way to go. And then we're gonna try this later on.
So this is a strawberry shortcake. Like, look how delicious this looks. It's just like pound cake, strawberries, and whipped cream, but it looks bomb. Can't wait.
Jasmine has first dibs on the strawberry shortcake. It looks really good. It smells good too, believe it or not.
Sorry, I'm trying to get a bite with everything.
It's good?
Delicious. The Pound cake is like really, I hate this word.
I'll put it on the screen.
Yeah, it's really good. Yeah, try and get everything. Isn't it really good? I give it a 5 out of 5.
I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5 as well. I haven't had one of these in a long time, like a strawberry shortcake. So honestly, like this just feels like this is the good old times when I used to have these a lot. Strawberry shortcake is my dad's favorite cake. So like my mom always made him cake for like Father's Day or whatever, his birthday and stuff like that. So this takes me back, honestly.
Aww.
5 out of 5 recommend. This here's the fit of the day for Kermit and Marie. Come on, y'all can't deny Kermit's fit. It's fresh. Look at that. He got the little stripes on the side, the matching jacket, the matching hat. I don't like to wear the hat, honestly. It kind of fits weird on him, but, you know. And then there's whatever this is.
Oh, come on. She's a little overall fit with her visor because the sun was out a little bit. She has a tote bag.
The hats stay better on Marie, I will say.
Yeah,
that.
because she has ears like a normal person.
Okay.
Kermit has no ears.
It's okay.
And his head is too round, so like nothing fits.
But, oh, what'd you do to him?
I just moved.
But yeah, guys, I put the poll results again. He's bald.
I'm losing.
I put the poll results. We'll see how
I'm
it
losing
is.
already.
So I want to try some trivia.
Okay.
I didn't see which one they put back then, so but I'm gonna try this one for sure.
If you're gonna see the pins, and we can make a line back here so we won't block the entrance, please. Do you want a movie or park question?
Movie, I'll take a movie.
Movie. Oh my god, you put such a good one.
Yeah, I know.
This is the kind of trivia
That's a
that I would
trivia
put
Okay,
in.
okay.
Fair trade, please.
Okay.
This is a fair trade.
Yeah.
I'll do one of the masks. Alright.
Let's hope we get the question right now.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so what did you say? Movie?
Movie. Yeah, we'll try a movie.
Okay. Do you know Toy Story 4?
Yeah.
What pet is in the antique store?
A cat? Is there a name? I don't know the cat's name.
Oh, it's okay. That would be my next question.
I don't know.
So it's a cat.
Yeah. So
Okay.
you pick whatever is there, and then if you like it, we trade. If not,
I'll do this one. Yeah, I'll do that one.
Now give the
Okay,
light here.
now I get the light. See anything, Jazz?
No.
Me and Jazz are heading to Pooh Corner, or the Pooh Corner area.
Splash Mountain. Not to get on it, but to get the press pennies. I think today's the last day to ride Splash.
Or tomorrow, I don't know.
One of
We
them,
get
but
confused.
we're not doing it either day, so I just want those pennies.
Okay, so we're here at the souvenir coins. We're gonna get all three of these. Gonna get our buddy Michael's set as well, because he lives pretty far.
And Frankie.
And Frankie. So it's pretty cool, because once the pennies come out, they come out from like, or this water
like
lights
the
up.
drop.
There you go. Wee. Huh?
Oh.
Where is it? Wee.
You hear the yells?
Oh, that's funny. Of course. We're in line about to pay for some gummies. Here's the treats at the moment. Nothing really new to me, to my eye. But that one's kind of cool. It's like the Cinderella carriage.
Whatever this is looks good.
Oh yeah, that does. That looks really good. I've had that one time and one time only, and I'm good on it, honestly. It made like kind of a mess, and I don't know. What did you think of that one, Jasmine? When we shared it like a long time ago? Yeah, yeah, that's good. Is this one like a Cinderella carriage?
It is.
It is? Yeah. Okay. I was just making sure. Thank you. Right here, the Pooh corner, or the exit of the Pooh ride, they have the Nuevos clothing, and it's literally the same stuff that they had at World of Disney. So if you don't want to make the trip all over here to Pooh corner, because it's kind of far.
It's kind of out of the way.
I'm not gonna lie. You can go to World of Disney.
They have the same deal. They had $7 when you buy 3.
I like this outfit on Daisy. I can't lie. Groot's looking very stylish with his hat.
Yeah.
And there goes Oswald and Penny. Ooh, what's going on there? The line for Splash Mountain is kind of crazy right now.
It's 10 o'clock at night.
Usually right now you could like literally walk on like back to back to back. But right now, since it's about to close, it's 75 minutes. The park closes in less than an hour at this point. It's crazy. Hope these people get to ride it, honestly. Nope. Still no piggy. You see anything, Jez? I thought about getting the Hades, but I've had it before and it kind of sat in my book for a while, so I'm probably gonna skip it right now. All right, we're in the Crystal Arts shop and we're looking at this, and I was like, oh, I like the Brave Little Taylor one. Then I happened to glance down a little bit more. Boom. There he is.
Beautiful.
There he is.
I don't even want to know how much it is. Probably like 3.
Well,
4.
these are $59. So
yeah, but he's all bedazzled.
yeah, so I can imagine that one to be very more like much more pricier. Wow, those are cool.
The soldier, the toy soldier.
There's that one too. This store is really cool, but everything's really expensive.
Yeah.
Look at that Sorcerer Mickey.
And we
one.
have cats that knock over everything.
Not trustworthy.
No.
Very cool. One day we'll. No, never mind. Oh, look at this Marie one. That one's really cool. All right, we're on our way out, and this caught my eye. As you can imagine, this is probably a crazy price tag. Damn. Dumbo did it again. And then there's that one, but that was not as cool
Look
looking.
at Stitch too. Wow.
Tinkerbell.
Simba. The camera's not even doing it justice, but these are really sparkly and
Madame
pretty.
Yoda in the background's kind of creepy.
Yeah.
See anything on the board, Jazz? Not right now, huh?
No.
Alright guys, so the ones right here, the ones you're treated for at Frontierland. I really love that Dumbo popsicles, so shout out to you guys. They are viewers of our channel. Jasmine really wanted this Jack Skellington one.
Yes, I love it. That's probably my favorite one from today. I really like this one too. It's cool.
Yeah. And then these are the ones we ended up finding on the boards. Unfortunately, not too much, but hey, these aren't really bad, honestly.
So small.
Yeah, it's really cool. I had to get it. I have another small Donald pin, and that one was really cool. So it was cool to have 2 of them now. And haven't had this J.O. food truck yet. Yeah, and then Princess Merida. So I don't know. Is she a princess? I don't know. Merida.
Princess Merida.
Damn. All right, guys, that's it. Another trip of the books. Had a pretty good time today at the park. Met up with some friends at Frontierland. Made some good trades. Y'all keep doing Kermit dirty, honestly, on Instagram.
On the polls.
On the polls.
It's fair.
You guys are letting me down.
It's fair.
Come on.
Marie wins. I mean,
We need to have like some sort
looks like
of
he's about to break dance. Not
relax.
Disneyland.
Look, y'all guys need to like favorite me sometimes, okay? Y'all might be trolling me, and I understand it, but like.
They're just voting for the best outfit.
And it's clearly Kermit, but look, I feel like my his fit needed some context behind it. He was about to go into Squid Games, so
God.
no. But like right here, come on, guys. The striped pants, come on. The zipper, it works too. Come on, guys. Y'all know he's the real winner here. But anyways, that's pretty much it. We got the Splash Mountain pressed pennies. Tomorrow is the last day for Splash Mountain. I don't know if they're taking out the machine.
I don't know.
I
No
would
one
assume
knows.
I would assume they are, but okay. So let me tell you guys a little something real fast. This guy, there was two people in front of us.
Yeah.
He was putting in dollar bill, and he got at least 50 coins. And like, who knows how long he was doing
And
that
the
before?
line got super long after him, so I'm glad we went. And then a customer told us it was broken down all day.
Like most of the day,
out of
so like
order.
it kind of just restarted or whatever. But like that guy just kept going and just he was real greedy, you know.
Yeah.
We ended up getting a
set for us, a set for a friend, and then a set for
Frankie. So that's pretty much it. But yeah, we're happy to have those. That's pretty much it, guys. So if you like that video, please leave a comment on here. Follow us or subscribe to our channel if you're not already. And that strawberry shortcake was real good, by the
It was
way.
super
Forgot
good.
about that.
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah.
We got some gummies to go.
We'll try the lemon and cherry Lightning McQueen ones, so hopefully those are good. And if you're not following us on Instagram, please consider doing so at Adam Crispins, and you can go on there and vote on polls and make sure Kermit wins. And that's it, guys. See you next time.